5 got away. No, 6 got away. I forgot to add 1.
How many fish did I catch?
3. You caught 3. This was just while we were on the phone. 7 people, 3 fish, and 6 got away.
I'm taking a video so that you can see all of the seagulls here on the Kenia near the Russian River.
I love you.
You can see all the fishermen.
I love you.
I love you too.
You can't say it on the camera.
Did you know I was on the camera?
You told me.
I was trying to get away with it. You know, really, there's not that many people fishing right now.
That's the way I did it.
You're going off speakerphone. I'm such a bad cameraman. I'm so shaky.